What brings me to DEVintersections is that there are great speakers, great attendees, one session after another. It's fantastic. I love this conference. I can't wait for it every time it shows.
Thank you so much for all your help with DEVintersection.
It's great to be here.
Goo is great, those are the guys I came to see and they kind of drew me here.
Definitely some stuff to bring home back to some of the other developers and see how we can use it. I think for DEVintersection it's a combination of the different tracks that you have. So like whether or not SharePoint's your thing, or angle brackets, or ASP.NET fundamentals, doesn't matter what it is. There's something you can find. And so if you're not enjoying one talk, head over to a totally different track and learn about something completely different.
I enjoyed Dan Wallian, and John Papa was good as well. I'm kind of looking forward to Douglas Crockford.
I'm really looking forward to Douglas Crockford's session. I'm calling it that's going to be my favorite. I've watched Crockford speak 5 or 6 times before, and it's always really interesting. Even when it's not about tech, it's really interesting.
How have we not had your idea of number before?
My thinking has evolved about the language and about the world, so I'm proposing a new number format. I'm hoping someday that programming languages, at least at the application level, will use just one number format.
Really enjoyed your keynote here, and looking forward to seeing you again in the fall at the MGM Grand in Las Vegas, where I think we'll have a whole other story to tell.
I went to Miguel Castro's. He's got a lot of knowledge.
He's a great speaker. I always try to, see something he's talking at. If he is real passionate about it. I mean, when we see somebody that's passionate about it, if you're not doing that, you're like, why am I not? I need to go back and really investigate this.
That was a great one, so it was really hard to top that.
The type of sessions and the different combinations of sessions and the variety has been fantastic. I think people of all different development platforms can actually gain something from this. The skill set of the people and the energy was really, really good.
That's neat.
One of the things that we always want to do is interact with developers one-on-one. And that's what DEVintersection gives us.
Dude, did you see the panel? I thought the panel went really well.
I thought it was actually pretty cool.
John Papa, Douglas freaking Crockford, Denise Jacobs, Michelle Bustamante, all on the same panel. You guys really had an interesting discussion about the future of the web.
It was a lot of fun. It was great just to have Douglas Crockford there, much less everybody else who was in the crowd.
Yeah, so Yuval was great, and it was architecture design was actually the workshop, so it was fantastic. He was quite an engaging speaker.
It was intense.
Yes, very intense. It was very exciting.
Yeah. Any favorite bits to DEVintersection? What do you really enjoy when you're here?
The people.
Yeah.
No doubt about it. The interaction with the speakers, the audience, sometimes even the vendors. There's nothing like coming to a conference and smelling the people and interacting them and seeing the glitz in their eye, right? The things that you just can't get unless you're in person with the people, right? You can't sense passion over a YouTube clip. I mean, there's just no way of scanning. Not the same thing, no.
If you want to know where the Microsoft and industry experts are this year, you'll find them at DEVintersection. Don't miss keynote speakers Guthrie, Hanselman, Guggenheimer, Crockford, Tripp, and Lefferts, plus other exciting speakers. All attendees who register early for the show package will receive your choice of an Xbox One,
Pretty awesome,
or a Surface tablet. Register today at DEVintersection.com.